lovelies. I'm here in Legoland. Yes, I am. Come to Legoland for a couple of days and having an amazing time. Been buying tons of Lego. I have. I'm going to show you 2 new pieces that I bought today. I've got my new light on as well. So I'm shining bright. I'm shining bright. Yes. I'm going to be building first. I'm going to build the Lego Friends. It doesn't have a name to it. I'm building, can you see it? That one. It is a little boat. Get it? It's very cute. And then on the next video, I've got an unboxing to do. So we'll put that one down there to do next. So we're going to do this little build. It's 30403 of the item number. It's just a little boat. I think it was $4.99 for the set. I'm not going to see it very well from that angle here. Just 1 second. Oh, trial and error. That's probably better. There we go. Aim you down a bit so you can see the Lego. There we go. That's better. Right. You can see the Lego even more. Lots and lots of little pieces. I just love little pieces. So I've got my new Lego mascot with me. Hello. Hello. Right, so we're going to build up Olivia first. I think it's Olivia you get with this one. Looks like Olivia. Could be wrong. It could. Oh no, it is Olivia. So there's a little Olivia. The smallest instructions in the world. That's the instructions. Right. See what I can do here. I think I just made a lily pad. Never made a lily pad before. Very cute. A lily pad. Not bad. Right, we're going on to the big piece. Should be simple, she says. It's never simple when I build it. Put that to one side. We're going to build the boat now. Not many pieces left, so I must be doing something right. You would think. You would hope. But I like the little bags like this. They're just quick and simple. Quick and simple, yeah. Very quiet here at Legoland. It's been amazing. Everybody's just been brilliant. They really are. The staff have been superb. Really, I can't fault the staff at all. So, Olivia has a walkie-talkie in her hand. Oh, it's not a walkie-talkie, is it? It's a radio to power the boat. So she's got a little radio in her hand now. Right, so now the boat connects. Oh, it moves. It moves. No, simple things, guys. You know me. Wait a second. We're going to make the flagpole now. Make the flagpole. And that fits. And there. show you the little movable boat. Now we've got an extra flower and 2 little white pieces here. Of course, yeah. Who's that? There's Olivia. Jobs are good. It is. So yeah, just my little mini build. Oh, don't forget the lily pad. You gotta have the lily pad as well. But yeah, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you all soon. I love you all. Goodbye.